Good morning, everybody. Today we have a lot to do. It is Memorial Day. Thank you, everyone, for your service. I'm very appreciated to have my freedom. So, before we start this video, I'm heading to the buggy wash to kind of wash the whole car down, clean the bumper. The whole plan for today is touch up paint on the front bumper, do a little bit of sanding, get some parts I need to. I'm running very late. I was supposed to get this done since this is a 2-day project. I was supposed to start on Saturday and Sunday, finish Sunday. I'm doing everything on Monday. So if you guys saw my story, I made a VIP table. This is what it looks like, how it came out. It's kind of lifting already. So I just got to go and fix everything on it. But it's kind of goes right there. So test run, leather lifting, gotta respray and clean it. But yeah, and gotta put in the chrome door handles. And so touch up paint, wrap part of the bumper. I have the knifeless tape. Then I gotta do this. And then I have to wrap the other grill. I'm gonna probably remove the visor so I can use the other part. I was supposed to do the headlights at Randy, but Randy got caught up at work, so I'll probably end up doing the headlights some other time this week. Just trying to get everything situated. That's all I can think of right now what we're gonna do. So let me get to the car wash and get it going. All dried and clean. So I'm gonna have to peel this off, sand that down. Just gonna touch up all the spots that were supposedly worked on, and then get the lip. And I'll be wrapping this in chrome today. So there we go. All set. Right, let's get out of here. Right to the 2 screws here. Take this off, take the license plate off. I got zip ties to replace after I cut these. Cool little motor. Don't want to do nothing today. I want to be lazy, but we got 7 days till the show. 6 days now, technically, but I'm counting Monday. double checking. See the damage right here. It's going to need to be re-fiberglass. I'm just going to cover it up, but we'll be taking it to the body shop where eventually when I get the car painted, Caesar is probably one of the best fiberglass guys I know. I'll have him redo everything and get this front bumper looking mint. But until then, we're just going to do some touch up just to pass real quick through the show, and then we'll knock it out. So let me go ahead and get this done. So paint is laid. It is very forgiving because if you see the spots, it'll all blend in. So just did a ghetto paint job. Didn't even have no sandpaper to fix anything, so just covering it. But you can really see all the stress cracks. But so right now I'm gonna start working on the back door chrome handles. Gotta take this off, redo this because it doesn't line up with the front. So swap this, take this off, and get started on here. So we'll just do a before and after, and then I'll link a video on how to change these out because he explains it better. So let me go ahead and just show this one. Alright, so I put everything back on, checked it. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of not sure how to do the back. Looking at it, I can get to this part here, but this one is, I don't know, I gotta look more into it, I gotta watch more videos, and then I don't even see where the automatic door locks are blocking this, so I'm not sure if I gotta disassemble the whole thing. I'm gonna have to look into this and slowly do that this week, but man, I'm just tired. Gotta get all this stuff done, but I'm not sure. Let this dry and hit it up again. Still wet. As that sits and waits to dry, we got some new parts. So I was gonna make another video, but because I couldn't do the door handles in this one, and this one's gonna take a while. I'll also show you guys the JDM password carbon engine covers. So I do need to trim here to get the DC tower bar that's under there to clear. Gonna have to trim to get the shocks. So I popped my Scion XB open so we can show you the test fit on this one. It goes under her. This is the right side, right? Oh, there it goes. Okay, so that tucks in there. I don't know why this is different. But yes. Oh shit. So this, it's like that. And this is supposed to go inward more and slide underneath here. And this goes, let me do this real quick. So like that. So it tucks underneath here, still has the air vents, and it's flush. But because I have the shocks here, I will have to drill to put the shocks, but it clears out where the holes are. So at least that'll be the engine cover. I'm gonna have to trim here so it clears the tar bar, which will be here, which is gonna be a lot of trimming. So I don't know if I'll have this ready by then, but that's the goal. And I'm waiting on a 90 coupling so I can remove this and put the AEM one on, so it'll be down there. So, and it'll match the engine cover because it is the yellow one that comes off of the 2.0. So we'll have that plus this engine cover that hides all the wiring. So I know it's cheating, but I don't care. So we'll get all that put on. So at least you guys get something nice out of this video. But we'll be doing some trimming and get this situated so it fit flush in the engine bay. So it fits. That's what it's gonna look like. So yeah, buddy. Sin weight game. I gotta get this, putting this back on. So I'll probably do that right now. Get the kids to help me. But yeah, that's what it's gonna look like. And this is as good as gonna get. It's fucking ass. Hella wrinkles. You won't see the bottom, but knifeless tape failed. I had to use a fucking razor blade. There's wrinkles. Fuck, man, I can't do it. I got nobody to help me do this type of shit. I'm just gonna quit. I'm too frustrated. I'm gonna throw this bumper on and just call it a day. It's a fail. I'm gonna just rock it, fuck it. Let me go throw this bitch on. And that's as good as it's gonna get. I am defeated. I throw in the rag. It beat me. So the wrap isn't good, but I'm gonna rock it. It is what it is. Paint didn't cure right. Gonna throw in the skybox. Gotta pull off the bike rack, put it back on the sky rack or skybox, and then ran out of wrap because I was actually supposed to wrap this section, and now I don't have any. So I'm gonna have to order some more, and it's gonna be way too late for the meet or the show. So I kind of like, damn, it is what it is. Ah, man, it sucks. It's hard when you have to do everything by yourself. That's right. I'm learning. All right, y'all. I'll see you guys in the next one. And that knifeless tape sucks because now I can't do my side mirrors. I was gonna cap these with the wrap. I could probably do the door. I don't know. I give up. All right, y'all. This is a failed video. It beat me. Call it a day and just go and get this on and get ready for work. I'm done. All right, y'all. Peace. It's all late, but skybox on. Run it on. All right.